everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is that glam girl Krishna. In today's video, we're taking a fabulous trip back in time to the iconic 90s glam makeup look. Think that's all about bold brows, soft eyes, flawless skin and signature pout that scream vintage chic. Let's dive right in and relive the magic of the 90s. First thing first, I am going to use this. It's a Lakme SPF 50++ moisturizer. Start by prepping my skin with a hydrating moisturizer for that smooth, flawless base. So primer today I am going to use this. It's a Lakme Vitamin C Super Glow Skin Perfecting Primer. Apply a pore filling primer to blur imperfection and ensure long lasting glam look.
Strawberry on my lips and chocolate fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the.
Next for a foundation today, I'll be using Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation shade 220. Use a medium to full coverage foundation for that even radiant complexion.
Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan.
Okay, for the eyebrows I'll be using it's from PAC Brow Sculpt Palette shade Black. Sculpt my brows into a natural yet defined 90s shape.
Keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the sun.
Clean up the edges with a brow concealer for a polished dull look.
'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine.
Next I am going to use a concealer and I'll be using this one. This is Manish Malhotra concealer shade beige. I am going to use a little bit of concealer in brighten under my eyes, acne scars, pimples and blemishes, dark areas of my face using a creamy concealer. Next I'm gonna be using this one. It's from my GLAM contour stick. Define those cheekbones with a soft matte contouring, classic 90s style. Alright, moving on to blush. I'll be using Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush shade Happy. I am going to take a little bit of blush and start applying it, one at the soft of my cheeks, little bit my nose as well. Next I am gonna be using Sugar Cosmetic Bronzer Palette, added warmth to my face using a bronzer, focusing on the perimeter. Now just set the base first. I'll be using Maybelline Nude Loose Finishing Powder. I am first going to set everything in place with a light dusting of loose powder. Now move on to eyeshadow. Start by applying an eyeshadow primer or a light concealer to my eyelids to create a smooth base and enhance the colors. I'll first take a Sublime shade from the palette and I'll apply it in my crease. Take a medium Sublime matte eyeshadow on a fluffy blending brush. Gently blend it into my crease using a windshield wiper motions, focusing on diffusing the edges for a seamless look. I am going to take this shade Naked from the palette and use a flat eyeshadow brush to pack a light Naked shade onto the center of my eyelid. Blend it slightly upwards to merge it with the crease color for a smooth transition. With a small precision brush, apply a soft light purple pastel eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyes. Blend it lightly into the light Naked shade on the lid to create a gradient look. I am going to take this shade Enigma from this palette and dab it onto the tear duct area using a small dense brush or your fingertip. Blend softly into the light purple for a subtle pop of brightness. I am going to use a Sugar Cosmetic eyeliner shade Black. Go for a subtle wing or a tight line my eyes for that grungy 90s vibe. Next I am going to use Bobbi Brown mascara. Load up my lashes with lengthening mascara for fluttery lashes. Now next to highlight on my face, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Insta Glow highlighter and I am just added a subtle highlight to the high points of my face for a gentle glow. Overline my lips slightly with a brown toned Swiss Beauty lip liner for that 90s pout. Fill in with a creamy nude or a deep berry lipstick. Now next for a lipstick, I'm gonna be using Kiro Beauty 4-in-1 liquid lipstick. Lock everything in with a refreshing makeup setting spray. I'm gonna be using PAC makeup setting spray. And yeah, that's it for today's 90s glam makeup tutorial. I hope you loved recreating this nostalgic look with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to that glam girl Krishna for more makeup magic. See you in the next video. Stay fabulous. And please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I posted a new video in my channel. Love you. Bye bye.
Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside, such a